Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to crochet a star which also looks like a starfish in just 5 minutes. Stay with me to see how easily you can crochet this star. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials. To crochet this project, you will need any color of yarn, a 3.5 crochet hook, and scissors. You might want to know the completed forms of abbreviations used in captions. Start crocheting and first make a magic ring. Keep this X between your fingers. Pass the hook. Now change your hand. Yarn over and pull through. Now actually the magic ring is ready, but to be secure, first chain 3, and now you can open your magic ring. Now make 14 double crochets in your magic ring. First, yarn over and go inside your magic ring, and now pull through 2 by 2. This is a double crochet. Continue doing double crochets in your magic loop. Once again, yarn over, go inside your magic loop, again yarn over and pull through 2 by 2. As you see, I'm doing all my double crochets in my magic ring. Make sure you crochet 14 double crochets in your magic ring. And this is it, the last double crochet. Now find the first double crochet. These are my chain stitches and this is my first double crochet. Now make a slip stitch in your first stitch or on the top of your first double crochet. After the slip stitch, the first row is completed. Now gently pull the central yarn to close your magic ring. Now after you crochet the circle center in your star, you're gonna crochet the rest of it. So first of all, chain 6. After that, skip the first chain stitch that you crocheted right now and then make a slip stitch in the second one. Now find the next chain stitch and make a single crochet in that chain stitch. Again, find the next chain stitch and make a half double crochet inside of it. Now again, find the next stitch and make a double crochet. Now find the last chain stitch and make a treble crochet. Now the first petal of our star is ready. Now we are gonna attach it to the body. So around the body, skip 2 stitches and make a slip stitch in the third one. Now for the second petal, again chain 6. Now skip the first chain stitch and make a slip stitch in the second one. After that, find the next stitch and make a single crochet. After that, make a half double crochet in the next chain stitch, and after that a double crochet. In the last chain stitch, again make a treble crochet. Now the second petal is also ready, so we have to attach it again. Skip 2 stitches around the body and make a slip stitch in the third stitch. We're gonna repeat this pattern 3 times, so I speed up the video. So for the third petal, chain 6, make a slip stitch in the second stitch, make a single crochet in the next stitch, make a half double crochet and make a double crochet, and at the end make a treble crochet. After that, around the body, skip 2 stitches and make a slip stitch. For the fourth petal, again chain 6, make a slip stitch in the second chain stitch, make a single crochet in the third one, make a half double crochet in the fourth one, and make a double crochet in the fifth one. At the end, make a treble crochet in the last one. Again, around the body, skip 2 stitches and make a slip stitch. This is my last petal of my star, so I chain 6, skip the first chain stitch and make a slip stitch in the second one, make a single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet and treble crochet. And like before, skip 2 stitches around the body and make a slip stitch in the third one. As you see, the star is almost ready. Now the only thing left is removing these two tail of yarn. So first of all, bring them back of your work. Find a place and use your hook to bring it back. As you see, these two tails of yarn are close to each other, so we can tie a few knots to secure our work and then cut them. It's pretty easy and secure for our work. This is it. Now cut the tails. That is it. Our crochet star is ready. As you see, they are so beautiful and they look like a starfish too. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel. I'll upload more crochet tutorials that you always use.